Hi folks, this is Voss here from the Chris Voss Show.com. Hey, coming to this super cool product that I was very impressed by. This is from SimpleSENCE.com. It's the SimpleSENCE Leak and Freeze Detector. Gives you around-the-clock leak protection and monitoring for your home for both leaking and freezing. So really neat. It's got a multi-sensor protection that simultaneously sends alert notifications to your smartphone while activating the sensor's audible alarm and to prevent any major damage that might go undetected. Instant and customizable alert notifications and basically let you know when things are starting to leak. A long-lasting dependability. It's got extended 2-year battery life with low battery power notification to your smartphone, 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee, and 2 years manufacturer's warranty. You can buy this on Amazon or Amazon Prime. It basically has a Wi-Fi connected multi-sensor system in it. It detects the water leaks, extreme temperature variations of freezing, etc. And it's available in single or multi-unit home packs and all that good stuff. I really loved it. I've got a water machine that purifies my water with reverse osmosis, and every now and then I over-pour water into the basin for it, and it tends to leak out the bottom. And so I got to kind of monitor it. I've been using this for that. It's great for underwater heaters, washers, and dryers. I've had washer dryers that have flooded. This thing is really great. Let's see it in action here. So there you go. There you have it. Go to SimpleSENCE.com. Check out the SimpleSENCE Leak and Freeze Detector. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for tuning in.